Look, our options has been modified in the options. Hello friends, welcome. In this video I am going to teach you how to modify the options button in Godot, especially the options inside the option button in the Godot. So it seems like you guys have stumbled upon the use case of using of the options button in your Godot project, but now you cannot modify the options inside that option button and you have lost your faith in the humanity, and here you have arrived in my video and I'm here for the rescue, guys. Here is how we can modify the options button inside the options inside the options button in the Godot. So let's do it. First of all, let me create the options buttons first. So here I've got an empty project, nothing is out here. Yeah, so let me just create a node and I'm just going to create an options button, options. Oh no, option button. Yeah, create, and that's our option button. And let me just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, that looks good. Let me place it in the center of our stage or the viewport. That's even better. Now let me create some of the items for our option button. So we go to the items and I add the element. So first of all, I will just write select. Okay, select options, 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 and nothing else. And next let me just create more options here. Option 1, opt and option 1, and let me create more. Option 2, opt and option 2, and the last one, option 3, opt and option 3. So we have created 4 options. The first one is the I'm going to make it a default one. Okay, so this just says select options, and the others are option 1, option 2, and option 3. And you need to notice the IDs of these options. Okay, the first one is 0, second one is 1, 2, and 3, like that. And for the selected one, I'll just make it to 0. So we will see this text at first, okay, in our options. And if we click on the options, we will see the option items. So let's play it, and okay, we have to save the options button scene. So let me save it. That's good. And look, so we have got the options menu or the options button, and we can select other options from here. And if we selected the options, it will just show up in the front panel of this options button. That's great. Now you guys are here to see the modifications of these options. Yeah, so let's do that. So let me click on the option button, and here in the inspector, if you guys want to modify its theme, you can only modify the what happened. Okay, so you can only modify this outside part of the option button, but once you are inside the options panel, you cannot modify it. Yeah, so that's the problem that you guys are facing. First of all, let me just customize this front panel of the options button. For that, I will just use a different color, not color. Okay, let's see style. It's box, the normal style, not here. Create a style box fat, and let's give it a color. Okay, I would like a blue color. That looks great. Okay, and next if I play here, yeah, and you might want similar kind of color in the options panel also, but you see like this. Yeah, you cannot see what you saw in this front panel. That's what the problem is. And also, if you want to increase the size of this option text, yeah, the text in the option, this text, and you try to modify the font size from here, like you give a 40 font size. You can see the font size increase in the front here, but if I play here and if I just click, and the font size hasn't increased. Yeah, so what's the problem? So that's what happened to you guys. And let's first of all reset my text. And if you want to modify those options, so you need to actually create a theme first. Okay, so let's create a theme. So let me just click on this options button, and I will just create a theme from here. Okay, so in the inspector panel you can see the theme option here. Just click here and you can just create a theme from here. Just click on the empty space and then just click this theme icon, and that's great. And again click this item and you can see modify the theme from here. Okay, so this is the theme modification panel. You can see everything. So to actually modify the options inside the option button, we have to actually modify the pop-up menu. You guys knew it or not? Yeah, so let's modify the pop-up menu. To modify the pop-up menu, first of all we need to actually add the pop-up menu first in our theme modification or the theme. So let's select the pop-up menu from here, go downwards, this one, pop-up menu. Okay, so let's select it, add type, and now we have added our pop-up menu type. And right now we have got the options and we have got this default. Yeah, so let me modify it now. So once we are in the pop-up menu, so what do you want to do? So if you want to increase the font size of those options, yeah, these options, so you have to actually go to here, text, not text, TT. Okay, here you can modify the font size. So let me modify the font size to 21, enter, and let's see if I increase the font size, and look, the font size has become bigger. Yeah, that's what. And if you don't believe it, let me just play the scene from here, and look, this is the options, and if I click here, look, the font size has increased. Wow. So the secret was inside the theme. So we had to make the theme, and then after that we have to add the pop-up menu. So it's the option panel is actually the pop-up menu, that's why. And you can modify everything here. Now let me modify the color of these options. Okay, so the background color. So to modify the background color, let me go here and let's just give, what is it, the hover, not the hover. Am I going in the pop-up menu? Yep, and not in the hover. Okay, in the panel. Okay, so look at the panel here. So let's add a panel, and let's style box flat, and now we can just give a different color here. So let me just give the color, this color. Great. And now look, if I click on the options button, you can see the modification of the background. Yeah, that's good. And there are still other things. So if you want to modify the separator also, you can do it from here. The separator means this line. Okay, so these lines between the first option or the in the option button and the other options, between these options there is a separator panel. You can even modify that one from here. Let me just select style box line and then give a different color. Let me give a white color. Okay, so let's see, look, the white color separator is here. And what do you want to modify now? So let's modify some of the other separations, like the separation between these small boxes of the options. Yeah, so let's modify that. To modify that, let's modify the horizontal separation. Just click on the plus icon and just give a number here. Okay, I'll give 10. Did I? Okay, plus icon. Okay, now let me give it a 10. What happened? Plus icon. Okay, now give it a 10. Okay, let's see. Look, it has separated horizontally, yeah, like this. And if you want to separate vertically to keep a little bit of separation, just click in here plus. For vertical separation, let's give another 10 here. That's good. And let's see, look, it has separated vertically as well. And you can just modify different things here, outline sizes of this option. So let's keep some outline. Just click on plus icon and let me just keep a 3 size of the outline, and let's see what happens. Look, it has got outline also, yeah. And there are different things that you can modify it now, yeah. And you can also change the color of the font. So right now I think the white color is okay for me, so that's why I'm not going to modify. And you can modify different things from here, and you can just save it from here. And now if you play and look, I click, look, our options has been modified in the options panel. And that's how you guys can modify the options inside the option panel, guys. It's actually very easy. You just modify the pop-up menu, yeah, from the theme. Actually, you have to create the theme. Don't forget to create the theme and add the pop-up menu in the types. And next you can modify anything inside the options button now. And that's it, guys, for the today's tutorial. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and see you next time, guys. Thank you.